Hi, I'm here to demonstrate a product to you, and they're sanitary napkins. And I'm going to do a demonstration on two leading brands. This one right here is going to be, we're going to call it leading brand A, which has about 25% of the U.S. market. Most women in the United States are using this brand. I'm going to put our product, winalite sanitary napkins, in the middle. And I want to show you a quick demonstration of what can happen if a woman was to have a one-time release of 50 cc's, which is something that happens more often than we'd like it to be. This one right here, we're going to call it brand K, which is worldwide recognized. This is not just in the United States. It's got about 20% of worldwide recognition. So we're going to put brand K, brand A, and winalite sanitary napkins. Now we're going to show you what 50 cc's is, and this is what a woman can release up to one time. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in this cup here. And that's 50 cc's there. I'm going to take another 50 cc's and I'm going to pour the 50 cc's in each one of these napkins, and we're going to see what the competition can hold in comparison to our napkins. So I'm going to go ahead and release 50 cc's, and this is just water with some food coloring. Okay, down the middle of the napkin, and you can see that the napkin is starting to get pretty soaked, and it's starting to run down the sides. You can visually see the water running. It means the napkin is not absorbing it, so it's starting to run to the sides. Pretty wet there. So I'm going to take another 50 cc's. Okay. And we're going to put that right in the middle of our napkin. Okay. And you can see that it's not running, that this is still dry in comparison to the other napkins. I'm going to take another 50 cc's and place that on the last napkin, which we're calling brand K. I'm going to place it right down the middle. And you can see that it's starting to get pretty full. The napkin is starting to run. The water starting to leak through the sides again. And the napkin is not able to absorb the 50 cc's. Okay. So if we had an accident, if we had a one-time release of 50 cc's, you can visually see that these napkins are pretty wet. What I like to show you is exactly how wet they are. So I'm going to have you press down one hand, and you can see this is brand A, this is our brand. Go ahead and press down on this one here. These two. Very wet. Very wet. Okay, I'm going to make sure there's no misunderstanding and nobody thinks that this napkin was not pressed, we're going to go ahead and pound on it a little bit.